Hey guys, what's going on? Scar1640 here, another video. I'll show you the first camcorder I have right now that I used for a long time. I'll show y'all guys right now. Is Samsung HMX F90. This is the first camcorder that I use for making my YouTube videos. So it's okay camcorder. It's just it's sort of getting a little noisy, like when you zoom. And plus the lens has a hard time closing and stuff. And it's getting worn out, the zoom's getting worn out. Just everything was wearing down this camera, so I got this Panasonic in my hands right now. It's a pretty good camera. As you guys can see, you can take off the battery. Here. That's the battery. Here's all your serial numbers and stuff, model numbers and all that stuff. And yeah, it's been an alright camera. There we go. Turn it on. Makes that noise. Tells you to open your lens. Look how grainy that is. Look now. Nothing too grainy, right? So yeah, this video is pretty grainy on this older camera. It's just a little older, so I can't complain with this camera. It's been a good one. Samsung HMX F90 with CMOS sensor, HD. And that's all I gotta talk about today. It's my first camera I have uploaded videos to YouTube with. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. And it has 52x optical zoom. See y'all soon.